Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello students, hope you all are doing well and hope you are studying during this quarantine period at home. So what we have done so far is we have done some examples of simple harmonic motion along with the mathematical formulation. After doing that, we have come to some important conclusions about the simple harmonic motion. So in this video, I will elaborate these important features of simple harmonic motion by using simple example. So let's begin with the example of simple pendulum. I'm going to draw that pendulum over here. This is the mean position of pendulum and with this example we will study the important feature of about simple harmonic motion. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले फीचर के साथ. फर्स्ट फीचर says a body executing simple harmonic motion always vibrate about fixed position. So the vibration of a body is about fixed mean position. As we know, the pendulum as well moves about a fixed mean position. So first feature is that body will move about a fixed mean position. This is the mean position. This is the extreme position of the body. The second important feature is acceleration is always directed towards the mean position. As we know, acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement and it is always towards the mean position. The direction of this acceleration is towards the mean position. We can see from this example, this is the mean position O, this is first extreme, let's say A, and this is the second extreme, let's say B. So when this pendulum is at extreme position, we know that now it will come back toward its mean position under a restoring force. So we have already done that. The restoring force acting is F is equal to mg sine of theta. So this is the restoring force acting on a simple pendulum. So here the second feature, what is that? Second feature is, yes, you are right, acceleration. The direction of acceleration is towards the mean position. As we can say, the velocity of body increasing toward the mean position. वेलोसिटी बॉडी की बढ़ ही है किस तरफ को, मीन पोजीशन की तरफ. इस वजह से एक्सेलरेशन की डायरेक्शन जो है हमेशा अगर मीन पोजीशन की तरफ होगी तब हम ये कह सकेंगे कि बॉडी एग्जीक्यूट कर रही है सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. The third feature of simple harmonic oscillator has to be contained with is the magnitude of acceleration is always proportional to displacement from the mean position. इसका क्या मतलब है जी? इसका मतलब है कि acceleration का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है, मैग्नीट्यूड से मुराद कितना एक्सेलरेशन, वो किस चीज़ पर डिपेंड करेगा? वो यहाँ पर इस चीज़ पर डिपेंड कर रहा है, displacement from the mean position. Yes, displacement mean how far you take this bob from the mean position, acceleration will be more. We can see अगर आप इस बॉब को इस पोजीशन की बजाय इस पोजीशन तक लेकर आएँ तो एक्सेलरेशन की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी as compared to this point A. Let's say this point is point C. So third feature of simple harmonic motion is the magnitude of acceleration is always proportional to the displacement from the mean position. And the final characteristics is velocity is maximum at the mean position and minimum at the extreme position. So we can see in all our example, though the example is of a ball and ball bearing, or as well for the case of mass spring system, in all the cases these all oscillators are simple harmonic oscillators, and the condition they have to fulfill is, what condition they are needed to be fulfilled is that velocity is maximum at mean position. So we can see in all the example, when the bob is moving toward the mean position, जब bob mean position की तरफ आएगा तो इसकी velocity क्या हो जाएगी, maximum mean position पर, और as it is going toward extreme position, जैसे ही extreme position की तरफ move करेगा तो इसकी velocity क्या होती जाएगी, decrease होती जाएगी. Same is the case for a stretch string. When the spring is stretched, this is the main position, it is stretched when the mass comes over here, and इस कंडीशन में एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पर वेलोसिटी 0, मेन पोजीशन पर आते हुए वेलोसिटी मैक्सिमम, अगेन दूसरी एक्सट्रीम पर जाते हुए जब इनर्शिया की वजह से ये कंप्रेस होगा तो वेलोसिटी विल बी अगेन बिकम 0. So these are the important results, you can say, or you can say conclusions, or the features. The features means a body must be fulfill these features to behave like a, or we can say the motion of that body is simple harmonic motion. So hope now with the all helping material and with these videos you are able to understand the simple harmonic motion, that is an important topic of from chapter number 10. Thank you so much.